So hey friends, remember a couple of weeks ago I was telling you about that land of my mom's that we decided we weren't going to pursue? Well, since then my brother and I have been talking, and we decided that maybe just because that land wasn't the right land, maybe that it's time to start looking for a little piece of property that we can call ours. Not sure what we would do with it other than just have like a home base for our vans or RVs or whatever. But yeah, I started looking around, looking on the foreclosures, and also just looking at stuff for sale. I found a few little pieces that look like they might be interesting, so I have come out this weekend to do some exploring. Now, I found a state park not far from the area where all these different little parcels are that I want to take a look at. So I am at Purtis Creek State Park. It's near a town called Kaufman, Texas. So I've been here once before. It was really cute. I remember I really liked it, so I'm glad they had a spot for me for tonight. I'll show you around a little bit, and then tomorrow I'll take you looking at properties with me.
She's lost. She's lost her mind again. They lost my friend. Lost her mind again.
You've arrived.
Oh yeah, I remember this. You have to go over this damn bridge. I mean, it's like a dam, it's a bridge. But anyway, yeah, very pretty. Yeah, not a bad little campsite. This'll do. This'll do. Lots of trees. Very quiet. That was what I ordered. So this little campground, Purtis Creek, is $20 a night, and comes with water and electric, really nice tent pad, fire ring, picnic table, very clean, very pretty, very quiet, like I said. And then, yeah, if you have a state park pass, it's half off the second night, so it's $30 for the weekend. So, well, I do prefer to free camp. There wasn't any near where I wanted to be this weekend, so I decided, you know, what the heck. And even when I do free camp, it's not exactly free. I end up using more propane than I would, of course, if I'm plugged in and using an electric heater and that sort of thing. It's supposed to be pretty nice this weekend, upper 60s for the highs, but I think like 39 for the low. So, yeah, I'll take advantage of it, have a little heat. That way I can, you know, not even worry about it. I can charge my bike and charge my drone and all that. So there's something to be said for paying a little bit of money. And again, there's really nice bathrooms here, flush bathrooms with hot showers. So not too bad for $30 for the weekend, I don't think. So yeah, I'm going to enjoy my evening, and then tomorrow morning we'll get up and go exploring. Yeah, check out that tent pad. Very nice. It's really, really clean. Not a speck of trash. I love it. Campground where I'm staying is quite a few miles from some of the pieces of land that I want to look at today, but it's a beautiful little drive in the country. It's very nice out here. Not the big trees that I would love, but in Texas it's hard to find big trees unless you go east, and I don't really want to go that far. So yeah, beautiful.
In 600 feet, you will arrive at your destination.
Huh. I don't get the sand.
You've arrived.
Alright, I did not see a for sale sign, but what I did see is that as soon as I got on this dirt road, the houses got a little bit more sketchy, like a lot more sketchy, broke down old trailers and piles of trash and people who are dumping garbage, so the vibe went from okay to not okay, so I'm heading to the next property. It's pretty out here, just not back there. Yeah, that's a whole lot of dumping going on right there. Alright, so I went to town, got some gas and a couple of supplies that I needed for the van, and I'm going to go check out this one more property. Yeah, it's pretty close to town, but that might be a good thing instead of completely out in the boondocks. So it would appear they're parceling up this land in 2, 3, 4 acre little bits. It's very pretty though. I do love the big trees. Yeah, you can tell they're clearing it like for people to build a house, and that's not probably what'll happen here. Yeah, there's somebody building a new house right there, and then a really old house over there. Huh. Yeah, I see another for sale sign, so I think this is a lot right here, and then where I'm standing is a lot, and they all go back instead of wide. I don't know. Let me look. See a couple markers. Huh. It's really pretty. You could put a couple of vans back here. Nobody'd ever be the wiser. Yeah, absolutely no sign of where the land ends. There's quite a bit of traffic on that road right there, so you'd have to be able to go back pretty far to make it work for what we would use it for, I think. Yeah, this is very pretty, but I really don't think it's shouting our name too much unless these lots go way back and they're inexpensive enough and there are no restrictions. So I know that there'd be water and electric because we're right by a pretty busy road, so that might be a good thing. I don't know. Anyway, this is fun, looking around, seeing what there is. But thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Thanks so much for coming along on my little adventure with me. I have a feeling when I find the perfect property, I'll know it. Anyway, hope whatever you're doing, you are having a great day today too. Y'all, stay lost, my friends.